Hi everybody, my name is Federico from Tinazzi and today we are here in Cantine di Bigiatura Sant'Ambrogio, our red vinification center in Valpolicella, and we are going to talk about one of our most representative white from Lugana DOC, in which we have two different, let's say, production typology. We have the fresh one and the Lugana with a bit of aging in oak that gives, of course, a different flavor. The Lugana DOC in the light, let's say, vinification is Acadie-Rocky line wine, and it comes from our most international line, and we are gonna evaluate just right now this wine. So the color is light, it's very light, it's a straw yellow with some greenish highlights, and the nose is very fresh. You can feel a lot of tropical fruits. There's some flower notes, there's some of course the pineapple, there's a bit of apple. It is a very intense and very wide profile. If we compare with the Lugana Prealta, which has been aged for 3 to 6 months in oak, you can see immediately a difference in color. Here you have a golden yellow color, more intense compared with the Lugana itself. And the nose is very structured. You can feel all the tertiary aroma from the aging, so there's a bit of vanilla, a bit of the flavor, of course, of the oaky, and there's the flower, a lot of white flowers that gives a very elegant note to this wine. So, going into the comparison on the palate. We have a Lugana Acadie-Rocky, which is a very interesting light body wine. This Trebbiano grape gives a good minerality, a good structure, and a good acidity. The acidity is very balanced. This wine is very fresh. You can enjoy it perfectly as an aperitif or with some light cheese, some salad, whatever is light body. And of course, this is make it perfect for summer, for the season that is coming. Speaking about the Lugana Prealta, in this case, you have a very interesting structure. You can feel, all the minerality, but also, a very, very, very intense perspective of tertiary aroma. So you have this vanilla that is kept on your palate. You have this intense flavor that make it a very interesting wine to be paired with more intense dishes. So it can be paired with some medium body cheese, or it can be some pasta with some vegetables. So in this case we are on a slightly different kind of meal, but still both of them can be enjoyed easy alone without any trouble. Thank you for your time, and keep following us on the social media of Tinazzi. Thank you and have a nice day.